Hi friends, welcome to somethingcalledscience.com. Today we'll talk about the most common polyatomic ions. You can find a full transcript of this episode and a worksheet on our website. As you probably know, polyatomic ions are ions composed of two or more atoms that are covalently bonded together and that collectively carry an electric charge. Polyatomic ions play a crucial role in various chemical reactions, and so it's important to know about them. We have other videos that dive more in depth into polyatomic ions. In this video, we'll focus on a list of the ones that are most frequently found in chemical compounds, reactions, and everyday applications. The first one that we'll discuss is sulfate. The sulfate ion is one of the most common polyatomic ions. It consists of one sulfur atom bonded to four oxygen atoms, and it carries a net charge of -2. Sulfate is widely found in nature, particularly in minerals, salts, and water. It is also a key component of many chemical processes and compounds. For example, it is commonly encountered in fertilizers, laundry detergents, and other cleaning products. Sulfate also plays a significant role in the formation of acid rain, and when water is found to have significantly elevated levels of sulfate, this is an indicator of water pollution. Our second on the list of common polyatomic ions is the nitrate ion. It consists of one nitrogen atom bonded to three oxygen atoms, and it carries a net charge of -1. In nature, it is primarily found in soil and in water. It is essential for plant growth, and it is therefore a major component of fertilizers that are widely used in agriculture. Nitrate compounds are also often used in the production of explosives and to preserve cured meats like bacon and sausages. Third on our list is phosphate. The phosphate ion is composed of one phosphorus atom bonded to four oxygen atoms, carrying a net charge of -3. In nature, it is found in soil, rocks, and water. Phosphate is vital for biological processes and for life, as it is a key component of our DNA and RNA, and also of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is what gives us energy in our daily lives. Phosphate is commonly found in fertilizers because it is important for the root development and the flowering of plants. And finally, it is used in the food industry as a food additive and also in laundry and dishwashing detergents because it softens water and helps with cleaning. Our fourth ion on the list is the carbonate ion. It consists of one carbon atom bonded to three oxygen atoms and carries a net charge of -2. Carbonate is commonly found in nature, particularly in sedimentary rocks like limestone and marble, and also in the shells of marine organisms such as oysters, clams, and snails. Like the other polyatomic ions that we already discussed, carbonate is also used in fertilizers because it provides nutrients for plant growth. Besides this, it is also often used in the construction industry as a building material and in the production of cement. And finally, it helps regulate pH levels in water, so it's often used in water treatment processes. Fifth and finally, the ammonium ion is unique among the polyatomic ions on this list as it carries a positive charge of +1. Ammonium consists of one nitrogen atom bonded to four hydrogen atoms. In nature, it is found in soil and water, and if you have a compost bin in your garden, the decomposition in this bin produces ammonium. Ammonium is an important source of nitrogen for plants because it can directly be absorbed by plant roots, and so it is widely used in fertilizers. Also, compounds that contain ammonium are used in the food industry as food additives and as a leavening agent in baking, which means that it causes dough or batter to rise. And finally, Ammonium is sometimes used to improve water quality in water treatment processes. So there you have it. Sulfate, nitrate, phosphate, carbonate and ammonium are some of the most common polyatomic ions. They're found in many chemical compounds, reactions and everyday applications, and hence understanding these ions and their properties is crucial for anyone studying chemistry. You can find the full transcript of this video and a worksheet on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more science content. It really helps the channel out. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.